King Kong, who kind of looks like a obese, drunken neighbor. How you doing, everybody? Stacking Stormtrooper. I hope you are doing well. If you're new to the channel, I am not a financial advisor. I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals, so make sure you hit that subscribe button right there. Get the bell notification click. That way you get updated with any new content. Today I'm talking about this silver that I just bought. A few $1,000s worth. And actually I think maybe it's like $2,000 worth. Anyhow, I can't remember exactly what's in this box here. I do remember what's in this box. It took forever in order for this to arrive. I'm going to quickly open these up off to the side because it's awfully hard to do with the tripod right here. So here's one box. I'm going to try to open it this way. It's probably one of the more stupid ways that I can think of when doing this, but I want to try to do this on camera. Now, I bought a lot of these coins because, you know, when it comes to the collectible stuff, you know that I sell quite a bit of this stuff on my auctions, and these are going to be something else. So let's take a look here. Alright, I have a knife right here, but I don't know. Alright, this is a lot. King Kong, Godzilla. I got so many of each one. A lot of the colorized TEP, a lot of the BU, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on this in just a moment. A lot of the BU stuff. Here's my packing slip. Let's get that out of the way. I remember when I was on the phone with them, with the people from APMEX, they're like, wow, you bought a lot. And I was like, oh yeah, I guess I kind of did, huh? Holy crap, I really did buy quite a few. Alright, so we can see here quite a substantial amount. It came out to roughly $2,000 just in the King Kong coins alone, and the Godzillas. So why don't we try to organize these a little bit while I give you my thoughts. Now, I haven't watched these movies yet, not the recent Godzilla nor the recent King Kong movies, or Skull Island, or whatever the heck those are, but nonetheless, you know, I in my opinion, I know they're classics, they're iconic. Wonder why they just kind of threw these in here like this. And some they put in... Oh, did I get proofs? I don't know what this... This looks like a proof. Oh, they both look the same. This one, they're like, Godzilla, he gets a flip. King Kong kind of looks like a obese, drunken neighbor. We're gonna put him just in a plastic bag and throw it in a big sack full of other coins. But that's my thought about King Kong. Kind of looks like a fat, drunken neighbor. So let's put him to the side there. Yeah, the Godzillas they treated with a little bit more respect. Let's put that to the side. We got three drunk neighbors. Let's see, we got 3 Godzillas. The 4th Godzilla. Another drunken neighbor. 6 drunken neighbors. Wait a minute. I may have miscounted. And this is another Godzilla. And then we'll talk about the TEPs. Godzilla. And, what's this one? Oh, I got a couple Lion Kings. So, a couple Lion Kings. And, let's see. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... 6 of the King Kongs. We got 6 of the Godzillas. And then I ended up doing 4 of each of the colorized in the TEP. So this is the Godzilla vs. Kong colorized one in the TEP. Forget the number of coins on each of these, but they had limited mintages, so I'm just gonna stack these all together. So what did I get? Like 4 of these. And then these are Mecha Godzilla. These were harder to find on the website. They were kind of almost like hidden. So I know people that have told me that they watched the movie, that Mecha Godzilla is in there, that King Kong and Godzilla are fighting with one another, and then they start going at it with him. We got King Kong here. Alright. Kind of cool. Looks vintage-like. I kind of like how that one looks. And here's another King Kong. And then we've got Godzilla BU in the TEP. Another one. I really bought quite a few of these, didn't I? Here's another. Here's Godzilla. Also, this one is kind of cool. And then here we got some more drunken neighbors. Alright, so there we got King Kong, the obese drunken neighbor right here. And then let me open up this other box. Okay, so here's another. Let's see, this I forget. Okay, so now here we've got some drop bears. Got some koalas. These are the 2021s. 2021 koalas. And then we've got Peanuts, the Easter Peanuts, which came rather late, which is pretty annoying. But these colorized ones, they do very well on the secondary market, so I ended up buying quite a few of these as well. So some of these are going to be available on the auction on Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern. 6 p.m. Eastern on Sundays is when I have my auction, so definitely want to check them out. But some of these will be on this next auction. My family just walked in the door and my kids are going nuts, so I am out of here. I'll see you guys later. And I just want to quickly thank these elite channel supporters, and if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Until next time, long live the Empire.